In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get started trading Forex in 2026. And not only that, you stand a chance to win a $5,000 Propfirms account if you're able to watch this video from the beginning to the end.
Kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to enjoy more educational content. Let's get started. Before we get started, we need to understand the meaning of Forex. Forex simply means foreign exchange. That is the act of buying and selling of foreign currencies or exchange of currencies traditionally or digitally. Simply put, Forex trading is the act of buying and selling a contract asset of a particular currency at a particular price, predicting if its value is going up or down, and we get to make money either ways. Now, what are the tools you need to start trading? First, a smartphone or laptop. Second, a brokerage account. Third, download MT5. Fourth, a chatting platform. Fifth, a Propfirms account. I know most of you already have a smartphone, so let's move on to the next step. What is a broker? Broker is a financial services firm that acts as a middleman between individual traders and the massive foreign exchange market. In the past, the Forex market was only accessible to large banks and institutional investors. The Forex brokers provide the technology and infrastructure that allow regular people to trade currencies from their computers or phones. So, what are the functions of brokers? They connect you to liquidity providers like big banks so you can buy and sell currency pairs. They also provide the software like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or their own custom apps that you use to execute trades and view charts. Brokers also provide leverage to allow you to trade more money than you actually have in your account. And lastly, when you click buy, the broker ensures that your order is matched with the seller at the best possible price. Broker I strongly recommend is called Headway, a broker I personally use, which allows you to trade with a minimum deposit of $1. They offer a cent account whereby you can turn your small deposits into a bigger capital. This way, you only risk a small percentage of your money.
Alright guys, so the very first step you have to take to start trading Forex is to register with a broker, right? And the broker we are going to be using in this video is called Headway, as we said earlier. So all you have to do is to click the link in the description of this video. Every link to the tools you are going to be needing in this video, you are going to find it in the description of this video. So all you have to do is click on this link, then you can be able to get a $111 bonus, no deposit bonus, when you register with Headway, right? So you can come here, see the details of how you are going to trade it and make profit and withdraw, right? So once you sign up on Headway, then you click get $111 button when you register, right? And then you trade for 7 days, benefits from currency pairs, metas and digitals, right? So once you're able to trade for 7 days, then you can be able to withdraw the profit you made based on the required lot you are required to trade, right? Trade the required lot on a real account to withdraw. So that's basically how you can be able to claim your bonus, right? So now click on get bonus. That is when you can be able to register with Headway, right? But right now I have an account with Headway already, so all I have to do is click on sign in, right? So I'm just basically showing you how you can get started trading, right? Alright guys, so here's the dashboard of Headway. You can see the very first thing you have to do once you register on this broker is to verify your account, right? That's the very first step, so you can enjoy all the features. Then this broker offers amazing features, right? So they recently concluded a contest, right, which is going to be announced on January 22, right, on their YouTube live stream. So that's not what we are here for. Basically, if you want to register on this broker, you can basically click on deposit. Right now I'm going to be showing you how to create a cent account on this platform. So once you click deposit, this is my cent account. Okay, the very first thing you have to do once you come to this platform, you can create a demo account first to test the demo environment of this platform, right? So you click on create demo account, right? Are you getting it? So they have cent account, they have standard account, they have pro account. Now if you are a beginner trader and you don't really have much capital, I would advise you to start with this cent account, right? This is one of the mistakes I made. Assuming I knew about cent account before I started trading, I would have been so happy. Like, let's assume you have like $1, right? you can say $1 is very little to trade, even to test your trading strategy. $1 is not small once it comes to cent account, right? Once you deposit $1 into your account, then this cent account will help you amplify that $1 to become $100 in cents. So that way you will be able to trade any currency pair, even XAUSD that requires a lot of capital, right? You can be able to trade XAUSD with just $1 by converting it to a cent account. Meanwhile, on a standard account, you can't trade with $1. You can't trade with $1 on standard and pro account. So let's click on cent account, right? So once you click on cent account, click on next. Now we have MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. So I would advise you to use MetaTrader 5, right? So you'll find the link to download MetaTrader 5 in the description of this video. So all you have to do is tick all this, right? Tick all this and you click on next. So after you click on next, then you are going to choose your leverage. So you can use 1 to, depending on the leverage they offer. So I prefer you use 1 to 2,000 leverage, right? So this will help you to open any lot on any currency pair without any restriction, right? So you just use the maximum leverage they offer, which is 1 to 2,000 leverage. So with this leverage, to help you to amplify your capital, let's say even deposit, maybe you have $100 in your account. By depositing $100 in your account, so you'll be trading as if all you have to do is just multiply this $100 by 2,000, right? So it will be like you are trading with a $200,000 account. Is it $200,000? Yeah. So all you have to do is just select 2,000 leverage, then choose your currency pair, which is USD, then swap free account. That's you'll not be paying any fee for holding trades till the next day. That's what this means. So all you have to do is already tick. Then initial amount you want to start with. So you can start with $100. You can start with $100. We are still going to get to where you can actually start using Propfirms to start trading, and even that one can even give you more leverage to be able to make good profits, right? So all you have to do is enter a random password, right, for this demo account. So I'm not going to be creating a new demo account because I have a demo account on this platform previously. So that's just basically all you have to do. Once you are able to create the demo account, then come back to your dashboard. So do I have a demo account here? Okay, I don't have a demo account. So then if you want to create a live account, you don't even need a demo account. Just create a live account straight away. Click on send, click on next, and basically tick all this as I showed you earlier, right? Click on next and you enter this leverage, which is 1 to 2,000 leverage, and the currency pair, which is USD, right? Then then you enter your password and done, and you are done creating your cent account. So basically, if you want to deposit on this account also, then you can see that you can be able to deposit as low as $1, which is 2,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, right? So click on deposit after creating the cent account. So after you click on deposit, then you select the account you want to deposit into, which is Aditech. This is my cent account right here, you are seeing, right? Then you click on, then this place you can be able to use different cryptocurrency to deposit. We have local bank transfer, USDT, TRC20 and ERC20. So if you want to deposit it using USDT, using this one, you have to make sure the wallet address you are using is TRC20, and if you are using this one, it should be ERC20. There's a difference. Or if you are in Nigerian, you can basically use local bank transfer. This is the easiest and fastest way, right? So you can see right here the minimum amount is 2,000 naira, and if you change it to USD, the minimum amount is just $1.33. You can see it's very amazing. So by the time you deposit this into your live account, to be displayed as $133 in your MT5. So basically, I'm going to be showing you guys how to copy your logins from this account, and then I'll be showing you how to use MT5 in this video. So stay tuned, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're enjoying this content so far. So right now, I'm going to deposit a little funds right here, then I'll show you how to log into MT5 and place a trade, everything you need to know about MT5 and how you can get started placing your first trade, right? So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I think I actually have some dollars left in my wallet, right? So there's a difference between your account, which is your MT5 account, and your wallet, your USD wallet. So basically I'm going to transfer this $0.72 into my cent account right now, right? So all you have to do is click on deposit, right? Then you change it to internal transfer. Then from which wallet? From your USD wallet to your what? To your cents account. Then you enter the amount you want to deposit, which is 0.72, right? Then you click on transfer, and boom, you are done depositing into your MT5 account, right? So let's go back to our dashboard. So as you can see right here, the deposit has appeared, right? So if you want to copy your logins, you click on it, then you come to this side, and you can see you copy your login, copy your server, and you copy your password. So basically I'll be doing that in this video. Copy your login, copy your server. You'll be needing this. Copy your server, then you copy your password. The moment you are creating your MT5 account, you are going to enter the password you want to use. So you have this in your mind, right? So now let's actually open MT5. So all you have to do is head on to Play Store or App Store to download MT5, right? Or click the link in the description of this video. You can search for MetaTrader 5 or MT5, right? MetaTrader 5 or MT5 right here. So this is the particular app you are going to need to place your trades. So this is the app you are going to be using to place your trade, to execute your trade, to buy or sell any currency pair after creating a broker account, right? So all you have to do is click on open after you have installed the MT5 app. So I'm basically going to be explaining everything you need to know. And as you can see right here, once you log in your MT5 details, so let me show you how you can log in your MT5 details right here. So you click on this part that is right here. Click on manage account, right? So click on manage account. These are the current accounts I'm managing. So all you have to do is click on this plus icon to register an account. Then you paste that server ID that we copied from Headway the other time, right? So this is the server Headway Real. Then you click on it, which is Jarosep Pty Limited. Then you paste your login that you were given, and you enter your password. Then you change this side to real because you created a real account. If it is a demo account, you click on demo, right? Then you click on login, and basically you'll be logging into your MT5 account where you can place your first trade, right? So basically when you come to this side, you can see your balance, you can see your equity, and you can see your free margin. Your balance is the actual amount we deposited right here. As you can see, the actual amount we deposited, right, is why you are seeing this, and you can see it's displaying at $72 instead of $0.72, and we have our equity. So this equity, when you are in a current trade, when you are in profit or loss, right, it is when this equity will change. Now we are not in any trade right now. That is why we are having the same balance as everything. Okay, so let's come to this quote. Let me basically explain. Now when you come to quotes, this is a place where you can be able to find the currency pairs you want to trade, right? And if you want to add any currency pair, you click on this plus icon, and you can be able to add any currency pair, be it crypto, right, be it crypto coins. So these are the crypto coins. With this broker you can also trade cryptocurrencies, right? As you can see right here, they have a lot of cryptocurrency, and want to trade standard cryptos like Bitcoin against the euro, against the yen, basically crypto against currency pairs, right? So they have a lot, and you can even trade synthetics on this platform. Boom 100, crash 100, crash 200, and basically all. So that's basically how you can add. So once you click on any currency pair, you click on chart to check the charts. So this is where you are going to be analyzing. I'm going to be showing you the data of TradingView very soon. I'm going to be showing you. As you can see, the market is in a downtrend right now. When the market is sloping down, that is called downtrend, right? So So let me actually change the color of this. Kindly hold on. So as you guys can see, the overall trend of the market is in an uptrend, right? So let's assume you want to buy from this particular zone. I'm just using for example as if I want to place a trade right now, I'm waiting for price to come to around this breaker block. Don't worry, I'm going to be explaining my trading strategy to you guys also. So let's say you want to place your first buy. Let's say you want to place your first buy, then you have to calculate your lot size, then you click on buy. That is basically how you can place your first trade. But right now I'm going to make another video on how you can analyze the market, right? On how you can analyze the market and you can use the right lot size. You can't just use any random lot size. This lot size is the amount of lots. This is just like the amount of risk you want to take in that trade. So with this our $72 account, let's say you want to buy from this particular point, you click on this particular stuff right here, then you can use it to calculate the amount you want to risk. So you just bring it right here to the place you want to buy, which is the buy limit order. Then if your stop loss should be in below a swing low, right? So you want to place your stop loss right here, you can see the amount you are going to be losing, which is $221, right? This is the easiest way to calculate your risk on MT5. And you can also reduce the lot size to 0.01. This is the smallest lot you can trade on this account. So if you are using 0.1 lot size, you are going to be risking $7. And ideally, if you want to trade this small account, which is $72 account, the minimum loss you should be taking on a trade is $10. So if you lose $10 7 times, that means you are going to be blowing the account. This is actually a good risk management to test your trading strategy. And when it is even a cent account, this is not a real dollar, right? This is not a $72 actual dollar. It's just a 72 cents in your broker, but it is displayed as $72 right here, so that you can be able to trade and test your trading strategy with as if you are trading with a big capital, right? So now let's say you want to risk $10 on a trade. Maybe you place your buy limit order here, you want to buy when price gets here, and you place your stop loss right here, right? If your stop loss should be right here, you are going to be risking $7. So if you can change the loss size to 0.02, you can see that you'll be losing $14, right? So it's better if you don't want to lose more than $10, you can leave it at 0.01, or simply place your stop loss below so that you can have a full risk you want to risk, which is $10. Then you click on this arrow icon to continue. Then you click up, you can later place your TP. You can input your TP right here after analyzing the chart. I'm going to be showing you how to analyze the chart very soon. Then you click on place trade, right? But the market is closed right now. I'm recording this video in the weekend, so that's basically how you can place your first trade on MT5. So I think I'll be able to show you guys the basic things you need to know about MT5, right? So on MT5 you can see trade, you can see news. You don't need all these things. These are the basic things I use on a daily basis, right? When you come to your quotes, your charts, right, and your lot sizing, and your trade, your balance, equity, and free margin. So that okay, let me actually show you an actual trade you can, because we have indices right here, so you can actually enter a trade on indices during the weekend, right? You cannot place trade. That's the one another thing about forex trading, because banks are closed during the weekend, so you are not allowed to place a trade during the weekend. But on synthetics are a market that simulates the real currency market, the real forex exchange market, right? So right now you can see price is actually in a resistance zone. But I'm still going to be teaching you guys support and resistance trading. This is the first trading strategy you need to learn before you advance into more technical analysis, right? So price rejected from this place first of all and dropped massively. and we can see that price is rejecting from that zone again, and we're having a bearish engulfing candlestick to the downside. Now if you switch to the 30 minutes time frame, we can confirm that price has shifted structure from that point. So if you want to sell, you can actually place your first trade right here. So let's actually calculate the risk. So once you click your, bring your sell right here and bring your stop loss to the swing high, above the swing high. So how much are we risking? $21, right? So I'm not going to be holding this trade because I don't trade synthetics, but you can simply place your order, click on place, and basically you have placed your trade. But the trade is not yet triggered. We have market price and we have limit order. When you click sell immediately, that means you enter the trade at the current market price, but because price has not gotten to your entry that you want to sell, sorry, so you just have to place a limit order so that once price tapped that zone, it is going to trigger your trade, and your stop loss is going to be right here. Then your take profit is going, you can just place your take profit to be 1 to 2 risk to reward, 1 to 3 risk to reward, or basically this next rejection zone. So that's how you basically place your TP, and you click on this arrow button again. Let me actually show you guys. You click on this zone again, click on TP, then drag your TP right here, and you click on this arrow button, then you click on modify, and basically you have been able to place your first trade. Though the trade is a limit order, once price triggers, it's going to show the loss and the profit, right? So it's going to show the loss and the profit. So that's basically this. I think this is a good trade. Actually, it's a good trade setup, but let's check from the higher time frame. Yeah, the market is actually in a downtrend right here. Market is in a downtrend. You can see right here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and basically we're having another high, higher high, and price is basically rejecting from that resistance zone on our lower time frame. So that is why this trade is actually a valid trade setup. So we can actually place this trade in live markets. So let me show you guys how you can place this trade also in a live market. Yeah, so we have closed that order, so you can click on sell. Now we have entered the trade in the live market. You can see the profit and loss right now. We are not trading with our real funds. I don't know why this thing is not showing delete. So basically that is how you can, let's see if you can delete this. Guys, it's not deleting. I think my phone is actually having an issue. I'll find a way to solve it. So you just have to place your take profits. You just enter the trade, so you can easily place your stop loss around this zone, right? Click on modify, and your take profit also, your take profit at this zone, the previous zone we used. So that is basically how you guys, and you can see that we are going to be losing $20 if this trade goes wrong, and we are going to be making $34 if this trade is able to dump down, because our bias is bearish, right? So we are expecting price to dump down for us to make money, right? So the second trade has actually triggered. So let's see, we are actually trading a cent account, so is a fund that we can afford to lose. So let's see how much. Let's see if this trade is going to hit our stop loss. If this trade goes up and hit our stop loss, that means we are going to be losing about $40, because each trade is averaging about $40. And if this trade goes down and dumped, we are going to be making like $60 plus, right? So I think I'll be able to show you guys how to use MetaTrader 5. So the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys, let's see if you have placed, anytime you place a trade, make sure your TP and SL is properly set. If you don't enter a TP and SL, you can easily blow your account. That's this take profit and stop loss is actually a good way you can manage your risk and you don't lose a lot of money. Alright guys, so basically you can see how price dumped from that zone we sold from, right? And no, I actually said I'm not going to hold the trade, but the trade be a quality trade for me, so I decided to hold the trade, and it is really in a good profit right now. So I'm thinking of closing the trade right now, but the this is the most valid point of interest for price if price wants to continue buying, right? And since the market is basically in an uptrend, in a downtrend, so there should be more of sales to this take profits. Even though it is not a good risk to reward, risking $20 to make $34, we should be risking $20 to be making about $40, right? So, but we don't want to be greedy, and since we are just following a system with an amount we can afford to lose, right? So this is basically how you can analyze your charts on MT5 and place your trade. So I just feel like updating you guys about the result of the trade. So that's all. So if this is your first time downloading TradingView, it's not your own is not going to look like this. But these are basically my watch list. The currency pairs I trade mostly, which is SAUSD, Euro USD, GBP, JPY, and we have the dollar index right here. We have GBP USD, we have US30. This is an indices, right? And we have cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, right? So these are basically the watch list. Now, if you click on Euro USD, this is basically how you can analyze your charts. So I'll be showing you guys a simple trading strategy you can actually use to start trading, right? A simple support and resistance trading strategy. So you can actually click on chart right here to see your chart, right? So this is the chart right here on GBP JPY. This is my previous analysis on GBP JPY. So I'm expecting price, as I said earlier, I'm expecting price to come down to this particular zone before I can look for a buy opportunity, right? So but let's go to another currency pair. Let's use a what do I call it, another currency pair with no analysis, so I can show you guys how to analyze the market and how to find a buy, how to know the point where you can buy and where you can sell in the market, right? So basically you can search for any currency pair in your mind. We have GBP USD, we have Euro USD, we have USD CHF, we have USD CAD. So let's search for USD CHF, right? USD CHF. So basically you just have to click on this, the USD CHF, and basically the chart is going to change to USD CHF right here, as you can see. Now you can see based on the current trend of this market now, the market is in an uptrend, right? So if you want to use the normal retail trading strategy, we have what is called trend line. You can see the tools. These are the tools you can use to analyze the market right here. Once you come to once you click on this one is called trend line. You can use it to mark out where price has rejected previously. As you guys can see, we have the first touch right here. Price rejected first at this particular point, right? And we have another second rejection right here, and we have third rejection right here. So anytime price is bouncing on a trend line, first, second, third, expect a break. That trend line is no longer strong again. Based on retail, this is not my current trading strategy, but it's a simple trading strategy you can actually start using and backtesting, so you can be able to make money in the forex markets. And this strategy, you have to make sure you backtest it well before start using it. As you can see, that price broke this trend line and there was a retest. We have what is called break and retest. Price broke this trend line to the downside and we have a retest. So basically we can see USD CHF continue to sell when the market opens, right? If this trend is actually a bearish market, because we are actually in the lower time frame. So you have to start with our top down analysis. Anytime we are analyzing the chart, we have what is called monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame, 2 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and 5 minutes time frame, even to the 1 minute and 1 seconds time frame. But these are the basic time frame you might need as a swing trader, as a day trader, as a scalper. Swing traders are traders that hold trades for days, for weeks, for months, right? While day traders are traders that open a trades in a day and close it that same day. They are called day traders. And scalpers, Scalpers usually use lower time frame to find buy and sell opportunities within 3 minutes, 5 minutes they are out of the market, right? So those you have to choose according to your strategy. You have to choose the kind of trader you want to be, right? So let's check if the trend of the market is bullish or bearish. Now, based on the current price action right here, you can see that the market is breaking structures to the downside. So you might actually see USD CHF selling when the market opens, right? You might actually see USD CHF selling. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, let's use simple trend line so that you can understand. So price has been rejecting from this resistance zone. As you can see, we have the first rejection right here, second rejection. Price was rejecting from this particular point. This is the resistance zone. When price break it, it becomes a support, right? When price breaks it to the downside, it becomes a resistance. You can see price was rejecting, and this zone again is actually a point of interest for you to look for a sell, right? So we might be right if we say we want to continue looking for sells, right? And we might see price obviously going higher. You might see price going to this red resistance zone before dumping. So that's basic trading strategy we can start using to backtest the market. And if you want to look for where to short, now if you have been able to analyze and you want to sell, you click on this short position, place it at where you want to enter a trade, right? Right, so that's the point you want to enter. Then your take profit and SL, drag your take profit to the downside, right? Then your stop loss should always be above a resistance zone or above a swing high or a swing low. In this case, a swing high because you are selling, so your stop loss should be above this point, and your take profit should be the downside. You should be targeting the sell side liquidity. We have what is called sell side liquidity. So when we advance in this course, you are going to learn the smart money concept I use. So we have what is called liquidity. Liquidity rests on highs and lows in the market, right? So basically, once you place a trade, you are targeting liquidity point, but because price always seeks for liquidity below swing lows, right? So these are easiest points where you can look for take profits and stop loss, right? So I think I'll be able to show you guys how you can analyze the market on TradingView. So if you want more videos like this on how to analyze the market and basically showing you how I do my top down analysis, how I analyze on the daily basis, make sure you comment in the description of this video if you want me to make another in-depth video analysis on my trading strategy on how to analyze the market. So that'll be all for this video. I'll be able to cover what is forex brokers and the kind of brokers you should use, which I recommended Headway, and also I showed you guys how to place your first trade on MT5, and lastly I'm showing you guys on how to place a trade on TradingView or how to analyze the market, right? So that's basically the tools you need to start trading. And finally, we are going to be discussing about Propfirms, right? What are Propfirms? Propfirms are proprietary firm. They are proprietary company that give traders capitals to be able to trade, right? Let's say you are a trader and you don't have capital, you can register on a proprietary firm, a pro firm. They can offer you a $10,000 account, a $200,000 account, a $50,000 account, even up to $1,000,000 account. With this account, you can be able to scale up fast and make good profit. And this account costs little amount. So let's say for example you have $50, you can be able to purchase like a $10,000 account. Are you getting me? With a Propfirm, with this Propfirm, it give you leverage on how to get big capital. So if you have been able to watch this video from beginning to this exact point, you have an opportunity to win a $5,000 account with sure leverage funding, right? You have an opportunity to win a $5,000 account if you have been able to watch this video to the very end of this video. So if you are serious about making serious income in 2026, you can find the link to sure leverage funding in the description of this video. Everything you need to do to be able to benefit in this in this giveaway will be in the description of this video. So thank you guys for watching, and you are always welcome. Goodbye.